Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best lawnmower battery in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best lawnmower battery. Starting at number 5, we have the NOCO Lithium 500A Lithium Powersport battery. Thanks to its lithium composition, the NOCO Lithium Riding Lawn Mower Battery is better than many lead-acid lawn tractor batteries since it doesn't provide sulfating. In addition, the battery requires no acid, maintenance, activation, or water. Besides, the NOCO lithium battery comes fully charged, and you can install it quickly on your lawn tractors or mowers. With more than 500 amps and 40,000 starts, the battery ensures premium quality and the most advanced performance, with more than 2,000 deep cycles. So, it will be 2 times more potent than the regular lawn tractor batteries. As it contains an active BMS system, the NOCO battery offers superior protection with the bidirectional, energetic cell balancing. Thus, the battery provides a long-lasting lifespan. Besides, the BMS system doesn't need a reset. As it doesn't need sulfating, the battery won't use the lead charging plates for its discharge. Instead, the battery provides a quick charging process by unleashing the lithium power, and you can recharge it in minutes. It provides sufficient starting power after only 5 minutes of charging. As it contains a multi-terminal position, you can install and mount the deep cycle battery in all directions, and the spill-proof construction will prevent harm when the battery turns. Hence, the battery will be highly versatile and vibration-resistant for different applications and harsh conditions and resist various external impacts and forces. Although the battery fits various brands and vehicles, you still must examine the specifications to discover the lawn tractors it matches best. Moving on at number 4, we have the Weize 12 volts 35 Ah battery. Whether you use lawn tractors or lawn mowers, the Weize lawn tractor battery is the best seal lead-acid maintenance-free battery for your needs. Why? The lawn tractor battery comes with screws, so it doesn't need wire mounting accessories or a wire harness. So, you can install and use it quickly, but for additional mounting accessories, you will have to pay extra money. If the specifications match, the sealed lead-acid lawn tractor battery also works as an ideal replacement for various lead-acid batteries and other models. But, you still need to check the requirements of your lawn tractors to see if the numbers match. You'll like it due to its various applications and uses, so it's ideal for battery emergencies, various electric appliances, golf carts, etc. Still, you may need more lead-acid batteries to apply and use their maximum power depending on the needs. As it is massive and heavy, the tractor battery uses a lot of energy, providing extended running times on most battery-powered lawn tractors and riding lawn mowers that are self-balancing. Due to its replacement benefits, you can easily replace your old battery with a new battery and enjoy a longer lifespan. In addition, the riding lawn mower battery offers optimal and advanced performance for longer work hours. And the spill-proof tractor battery comes with a 1-year warranty for improved battery-powered appliances. Besides, you can directly contact support and find more info about the new battery. At number 3, we have the OGRPHY LifePO4 Deep Cycle 12 volts 15 Ah lithium battery. The best lawn tractor battery is ideal for your lawn mowers and tractors since it contains green energy without any toxic chemical materials. So, unlike various deep cycle batteries, this lawn tractor battery offers an extendable lifespan, between 2,000 and 5,000 cycles, and increased power to operate well even in harsher work conditions. Since the best lawn tractor battery contains a longer battery life, it will last at least 10 years. In addition, the best lawn tractor battery will provide you with maximum safety and security benefits. As you'll find, our best lawn tractor battery contains the grade A cells, with the built-in BMS system for maximum protection. So, the lawn tractor battery cannot overcharge, overheat, overload, or damage due to the short circuit. Still, you will love it due to the low self-discharge rate, which is lower than 3%. Thanks to its specific system, the lawn tractor battery will be vibration-resistant, spill-proof, and full of lithium, and it offers optimal performance with both lower and higher temperatures. So, it cannot damage so soon and will serve you well for an extended period. The lawn tractor battery is an excellent replacement for SLA batteries, VRLA batteries, and lead-acid batteries, with various load power units, different deep cycle points, etc. Still, you should check the specifications to find the exact lawn tractors or lawn mowers that fit the battery. At number 2, we have the MLU1CCAHR 12 volts battery. The Mighty Max battery is an ideal seal lead-acid battery for your lawn tractor or riding lawn mower, as it offers supreme design and advanced system technology. Thus, the best lawn tractor battery has a superior performance and overall design. It will be vibration-resistant and shock-resistant, and you can mount it in any direction. Thanks to its durable construction, the best tractor battery offers optimal and high performance and high and low temperatures. So, you can easily use it for your garden tractor and finish the job quickly. Hence, the Mighty Max battery is ideal for your garden tractor since it includes a robust structure, and you can use it for prolonged work hours. In addition, it cannot damage quickly and will be more durable than various standardized lithium batteries. Moreover, the lead-acid battery has 2 polarity terminals, but it's listed only for screws and batteries. So, battery cables are not included, so you have to obtain the charger cables separately. Yet, the spill-proof lawnmower battery is versatile for various garden and lawn vehicles. Moreover, the riding mower battery will provide you with the best experience for a prolonged time. Naturally, the riding mower battery comes with a 1-year warranty period. So, you can replace it or get a full monetary refund. And finally, at number 1, we have the 12 volts 10Ah Lithium LiFePO4 Deep Cycle Battery. Firstly, the Lawn Mower Battery is ideal for its supreme performance. As you'll notice, the maintenance-free Lawn Mower Battery has high-density energy, no memory effect, long cycle life, and offers maximum safety features. In addition, the lithium iron phosphate battery is ideal for your ride on lawn mowers with advanced system technology. So, the lawn tractor battery contains the protective built-in BMS protection to prevent overcharge, short circuit, over-discharge, etc. Thus, the lawn tractor battery will last for an extended period, ensuring up to 1 year of maintenance-free operations. Of course, the riding lawn mower battery is also perfect for its deep cycles, up to 2,000 cycles, unlike various traditional maintenance-free batteries of 200 or 300 cycles. Hence, the riding mower battery offers an excellent battery life and a better battery capacity. Due to its power and voltage, the riding lawn mower battery is ideal for most lawn tractors and mowers but other uses. So, it includes outdoor camping, household alarm systems, power wheels, scooters, routers, etc. You can connect the lawn tractor battery in a series of parallels regarding discharge and expansion operations, and you connect up to 4 different battery terminals and lawn mower batteries. Finally, the lawn tractor battery comes with a 1-year warranty or a wholesome money refund for the lithium battery replacement. Yet, you can always contact customer support for additional questions and other issues.
Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.